till such time when everything is settled, CM, myself, I think we will go again to Delhi. We will be again meeting the leaders, Prime Minister and then Home Minister and other ministers in the government of India, reminding, refreshing again the memory of the pending issues like ILP and then like inclusion of languages and also any other issues which is important for the state of Meghalaya. I don't know because maybe Basaleng he just been elected just few days back. I don't know from where did he get all this information whether Agatha raised this issue or not. But the direction given by the party, be it Rajya Sabha MP or be it Lok Sabha MP, we have already directed both of them to take up this issue with the government of India, be it inside the parliament or be it even in the level of the government.